Hey guys, we got a new tutorial up on the site. It's called the Beach Babe. We've got a blonde bombshell we've named Carrie. She's cute as can be. This tutorial is all about figure modeling, getting the face right, making a human face that doesn't look like an alien, getting all those things in position in the right spot, and making a really visually appealing cake, and a cake that can be switched over to any theme. You can make a snow themed cake with somebody making snow angels, all kinds of things. So remember also on the website, I am at your beck and call. I'm at your fingertips. Ask questions, I'll answer just like a live class, only you get to watch when you want and wearing what you want. Any time of day, 24/7, I am here. So enjoy our Babe cake and see how just simple it is when all the steps are broken down. So I hope to see you there.